In recent years, there has been a growing trend toward plant-based diets. Many people are choosing to reduce or eliminate animal products from their diets for a variety of reasons, including health, environmental, and ethical concerns. This shift has led to the development of a wide range of plant-based.
3, 2, 1.
The invention of the telephone in the late 19th century revolutionized the way people communicate. Before the telephone, the only way to send a message over long distances was by telegraph, which was slow and expensive. The telephone made it possible for people to speak directly to each other no matter where they were in the world.